National data shows Kentucky has one of the highest rates of child abuse in the country.
Today, advocates working to prevent child abuse were in Frankfort urging lawmakers and the public to do more to protect kids. LEX 18's political reporter Carolina Buchek has more.
Advocates planted pinwheels in the lawn of the Capitol today. Each one of these represents 17 Kentucky kids born last year. But unfortunately, national data shows that these kids could potentially face a serious problem. National data shows that Kentucky's child abuse rate is the 5th highest in the nation. That's something that weighs heavily on the minds of advocates. The latest report from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Children's Bureau points to Kentucky now nearly doubling the national child abuse rate. The report says about 14 out of every 1,000 kids in Kentucky experienced some form of abuse or neglect during 2024. A small positive in the report is that Kentucky's rate did not increase from the year before. But advocates say more must be done to bring that rate down.
Can we do more? Absolutely.
Jill Seafred with Prevent Child Abuse Kentucky says one big problem that kids are facing is grooming. It's a problem that has become more prevalent with technology and the internet. So advocates are urging lawmakers to pass a bill that cracks down on those who take advantage of kids. They say having a law on the books will make a big difference because the current laws simply haven't really kept up with technology.
Being able to define grooming, I think, is definitely where it starts. And then also having more criminalization around it is really important because right now things are very lax.
Advocates say this type of law will help bring down the state's child abuse rate.
We hear a lot about a toolbox, so certainly it's just one more tool in the toolbox.
Governor Andy Beshear says there are other things that Kentucky can do to make progress on stopping child abuse. He says the state can improve its foster care system. It can also ensure that there are enough programs to support kids and families that may be struggling. In Frankfort, Carolina Buchek, LEX 18 News.